This is a Jupiter Tessellation file, a lightweight 3D format used in manufacturing. It is an open standard. You can view it with the free JT2Go viewer from Siemens. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here's the viewer. Preventative action. I strongly suggest keeping a universal file reader on standby. It often gives you access to the contents even when the JT format fails. More on this later. The JT file format, short for Siemens Jupiter Tessellation, is a highly efficient and widely used 3D data format developed by Siemens PLM software. It is designed for visualization, collaboration, and data exchange in product lifecycle management, PLM workflows. JT files support various levels of detail and can contain both precise boundary representation, BREP, and tessellated geometry. JT files are structured to enable progressive loading and streaming of 3D data, making them suitable for large assemblies and complex models. The format supports metadata, attributes, and product manufacturing information, PMI. It is often used for digital mockups, virtual prototyping, and design reviews, allowing users to visualize and analyze 3D models without requiring the native CAD software. Siemens maintains the integrity of the JT specification through Siemens NX. Windows can show the file exists, but cannot perform color space correction or rendering. Windows shows only limited geometry, so deeper analysis requires specialized modeling tools. We are testing every installed program for file recognition. Right-click your JT file and choose Open With. Test Siemens NX first. If it fails, select another application. The solution lies in finding the right reader. If you still can't open the JT file, it's okay. The stubbornness of this JT file requires decisive action. Run these specific tests right now to determine the exact failure point. First, use CAD Viewer. Open the file using a CAD viewer, e.g. Siemens JT2Go or Solid Edge Viewer. Next, check version. Ensure the viewer version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, convert to step OBJ. Use the software's export function to save the 3D model as a universal format like .step or OBJ. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.